Hello everyone, my name is Chef Rejoice. Welcome back to Rejoice's Living. Today we are going to have a very simple oat milk recipe. I hope you will enjoy to see it and to cook with me. We are going to use these very few ingredients to make our milk oats recipe. And as you can see here, I have cloves, I have cinnamon, and these are the main two ingredients that we are going to use just to spice up our dish. We will use a little bit of salt, and this is a skimmed milk. These are oats, and these are the nuts. They are already roasted, but it's optional in case you have any allergy. I'm going to start preparing spices for our oats. I'm going to put 300 mils. So I've put 2 cups, and then I'm going to add the cinnamon as well as cloves. We are going to make it boil for almost 5 minutes so that we will spice up the water that we are going to use to make our oats. As you can see, our cinnamon and cloves water have boiled well, and we don't want it to boil for a long time because it will bring some kind of bitterness in the water. So this is enough. I'm going to switch off my stove and filter the water. So this is our spiced water that we will use to make our oats. So I'm going to put my spiced water, and remember that we are going to use only 1 cup of oats, and it's going to be just for 1 person. So I'm going to put 1 cup of oil, a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to start, and I will let it to cook for almost 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of boiling your oats, you will expect them to rise a bit because they have absorbed some water, and you need it to be a little bit thick because you're going to take for breakfast, so that it will fill you for a more long time. And now it's okay. I'm going to add milk. We will put 1 cup of milk, and remember that we are using skimmed milk. You will keep mixing as you are adding the milk. And this step, we are not going to cover it. You will just need to let it cook until the milk gets into the oats. Well, make sure that your temperature is lower at this stage so that it will not burn, and we will let it cook for at least 5 minutes, and our dish will be almost ready. Okay, as you can see, this is almost done. Remember, you don't need to overcook it because it is instant oats. That means it just needs few minutes to cook. And as you can see, the base is the thickness of your oats. It should not be too watery, and you can see the consistency is very nice, and this is okay. So now we are going to serve and add some little garnish of our nuts. Our oatmeal is done. It is a very easy recipe, as you have seen. Please don't forget to try it and share with me in the comment how did you find it. And then remember to stay healthy, eating health until we meet again.